Where are we going today? Legoland.
Aren't you going to the new ride?
You can see the whole London from here. I think we can do 5 rides. You want to say hi to him? You want to go and say hi to them? It's a real giraffe. I think they have closed a lot of rides.
Why?
Because of coronavirus. Everything is small here. I can see Taj Mahal, Statue of Liberty, San Francisco. London Eye, Parliament, and that is the Millennium Bridge over there. Oh!
Big, let me come in.
Husband,
Pigeon! Hi Pigeon! And red car or blue car?
I want yellow. Can I drive your car?
Yeah, you can drive my car, but after 10 years.
Send it deeper now. Keep an eye open for lurking sharks. Some who love sharks. Awesome fact. Sharks. We're approaching Atlantis.
Seahorse. Hello fish. Legoland Hotel. Miniland. Welcome to America.